What's up, YouTube? Making my first tutorial today. Hoping I can help you out with some stuff. Be trying to grow my channel right now. I'll make artwork and intros and get all that stuff laid out at some point. But I'll get right into the tutorial today, which is for complicating your leads and making them sound a bit more pro. One thing you can do to practice, and this is something I've been doing lately, is download song stems and then practice recreating them. So I recreated a lead from the Chainsmokers' Let You Go, and I'll play it for you here. So if you can hear, this isn't like your most standard lead. If you just put those notes into the piano roll, it will just kind of sound like even, like da 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 da. It'd be really boring to listen to. So one thing that did to complicate it is kind of made it change in velocity and kind of add like the clicking noise in there. Da da da. You know what I'm saying? And the way I recreated this is I took 3 silent instances. And each silent instance has a different iteration of attack in the envelope and kickstart causing the side chaining. So here's the data part. To see the attacks all the way down, but for the first note that hits, you have to kind of make it raise up. So I lowered or changed the to a different instance of kickstart for this one, routing through the mixer. And the last one's that last note that holds for the longest. It has a higher attack. So in the mixer, all 3 instances have all the same plugins, except the way that I run the kickstart on it is a little different. When it's kind of building in, I try to make it build in as hard as possible. So I put a sub bass sidechain on it, so it takes longer to build in, longer to build to the top. And with the other 2, I just added a normal instance of kickstart. Not sure why plugins are being weird. So it's less extreme and kind of fades in less. So it kind of has a harder attack. And when you put those 3 together, it sounds like this. So basically what I'm saying is vary up the way you fade things in. You can make different patches that sound the exact same and just modulate them differently, and it'll add a big effect to your leads. I'll just show you real quick what I have on each channel. So I put a kickstart, and I didn't have that on. You have a kickstart on each one. So basically, and then I put a sausage fattener just up a lot of color. I EQ'd it. I can pull that down, don't need that. So cut off the low end, boosted a little around 5K, 6K maybe. Compressed them all, put the same compressor on each one, so it kind of glued them all together. I turned the reverb off because I switched to the old school verb. I just kind of used the default plugin. Expanded dimensions and put a little bit of delay on there, just to thicken it up. And then once you get it all in the mix, it sounds like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Subscribe. We'll be putting out about 2 videos a week. Thanks for watching.